Trey 600 with the niggas who run it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Trey 600, 3600. Trey 600, 3600. Trey 600, 3600. Trey 600.
It's your boy, Trey 600 Quentin TV, and we back again with another one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Shout out to the notification gang. Salute to all our new subscribers and all my day ones. I do this for y'all. Let's get it, man. Today's story is going to be about how Kenny B and Rainwater, they finally ran into each other. It's been a whole lot of going back and forth, especially on Clubhouse. You know, Kenny B been calling Rainwater a Clubhouse gangster or whatever. But you know, like I said, it's a small world, and sometimes you're gonna run into who you need to run into. And they definitely ran into each other. And you know, Kenny B, he was like, "Hey, we can do this right now. We can go step outside or whatever." And Rainwater wasn't doing no tripping, but the only thing is footage of him, you know, I guess talking to the security in the airport or whatever. Like I said, I don't know. That's just, you know, what the footage was. But hey, y'all let me know what y'all think about the situation. Because Rainwater, he definitely, he had some things to say, saying that Kenny B was the one that didn't want to meet up.
Clubhouse ass nigga, let's go outside and fight, like I said.
At the airport, look, we gonna meet up.
Let's do what I'm saying, it's outside.
That's some police shit.
On my mama, if we say meet up, you is not gonna text me back, you is not gonna meet up.
Put on my tab. On my tab.
You say what?
On my tab, nigga.
Bet, say that.